Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Monday night, isn't Monday? Tuesday night right now. I stayed at the hobby farmhouse last night. I was going to stay more this week, but we have a Xander coming this coming weekend. I know I've mentioned this in previous videos. Brandon's girlfriend Megan and her little boy Gabe are going to come here again. And my mom and dad are going to show up on Saturday and we're going to do a shrimp boil. So I want to get a few things mowed. So tonight I want to start on the big side field over there. I'm saving the back one for when Xander's here because him and I can ride on the tractor because he loves that. So, but I want to get started, get a little bit done every night after work. It's a very busy day or a week at work, and that's going to be a rough week. That's all there is to it. Melissa ordered 15 pounds of shrimp today and a dozen oysters on a half shell. They will be flown in from Louisiana and we'll pick those up on Friday. Well, that was my goal for tonight after work, to get this field over here mowed. Oh, Melissa must have the window open in the kitchen. She's frying up pork chops tonight and it smells so good out here. I wanted to check these beans and see. Oh yeah, we still have a bunch coming. We want to do another big batch of canning beans, but I don't know this zone 3 compared to the zone 4. I know what to expect, and down there, that garden's almost done. And up here, we just picked the first beans, so we will have another pretty substantial picking of beans here. Morning everybody. I'll talk to you guys after I get back from work. Well, I made it that far and ran out of gas. And I have no more. I put all the rest of the last stuff I had, I put in the tractor yesterday. So tomorrow on my way back up here from work, I will get some more. And this was I was just about finished for what I'm going to do today. And then tomorrow I probably will do the front yard, all the stuff close to the house, and then I'll be finished. I'm glad I got all these little trails done. When you get Xander or Gabe up here and you're giving them a ride on the four-wheeler, they don't care where the trails are. It's just nice having them so you can kind of buzz around and be in different little areas. I would say I have 2 to 2.5 hours left, including the push mower, so that's not too bad. Get you girls some fresh water here in a minute. Hey, get back in here. Ten eggs today. I got some green treated lumber from work that was going to be going into the dumpster. Looks like I'm not throwing that away.
Out here. Well, I didn't come out here. I just stood at the door, and it was about this time.
They're not used to seeing so much.
I guess, or hearing so much. I don't know.
All right. Well, it's after 9 o'clock. I still have to take a shower. I think it's time to call it a day. 4 o'clock comes pretty early in the morning. Morning, everybody. Today's commute, 2 hours and 45 minutes. Well, today is the first day that Carrie Rod will be back on the radio since his quadruple bypass surgery. He texted me a few days ago and said he'd be coming back this morning, so I'm excited to hear him before my signal fades out.
Jake, what? A little pain here in my chest.
What?
I need help. Would you help me?
I'm trying.
Hurry! I forgot.
Help!
I forgot my nitro.
What?
A little help, please. Like sometimes
The pressure.
Hurry! Hurry! Thanks.
Good morning, Carrie Rod. Welcome back.
It's the A Squad. First time in a month, 2 months and a day.
Last show, June 19th.
Here we are.
And now this.
Get out of the way. The train is coming.
I haven't felt the energy in here like this in, 2 months and a day.
I drank a... It's the A Squad with Jake and Carrie.
Well, you can just look at a couple and you can tell right away that they're going to stay together forever. Donald and Lana.
Oh, God, what a beautiful day.
Isn't it, though?
Did you see that pink sky about 10 minutes ago? Still a little bit out there.
Turn my head around and I see a little pink with some blue. And
what a great day to be alive and play the ball.
hey, you've said that before.
Morning?
Really?
Yeah, we got 2 more listeners.
Wow.
Yeah,
I
good morning
knew
to Joe.
I knew you were raking them back yet.
Joe and Zach Survival, Northern Seclusion. You can check them out on YouTube. And it's about all that kept me going during the few days I had off.
So as you...
Well, I'm glad Carrie is back on the radio. It's nice to hear his voice again. He just texted me and he said that he's got somebody in studio that's a huge fan of the channels, and they're going to talk about them after this next song. And I am out of radio range now, so I won't be able to listen. That sucks. Well, once I got back here, I put the gas cans in the truck and I went up and filled them all up with gas, so I have gas for the mower. We can go get that because I'm going to start mowing here again pretty quick. And for the tractor, because Xander and Gabe are going to be up here, so there'll be, you know, all kinds of little things going on that are going to need gas. But we've been having trouble in the bathroom with the coming out of the sink of the sewer gases. You can walk in there sometimes and it just stinks, and it's like, what's going on? And track it down to it's coming out of the sink drain. So I thought it started happening about 5 weeks ago. It's not all the time, but I thought, well, it must maybe have something to do with the fact that I hooked the fifth wheel up there, you know, because everything's going into the same system. But then I was thinking lately, it's like, that doesn't matter at all. You know, a sewer system is pretty simple. The stuff goes, you know, goes out, and every sink underneath there has a trap. And the trap then always stays full of water, so the sewer gases cannot get back up and come out the sink. Well, and I don't know why I didn't think about it this morning. I'm laying in bed and it was like, I bet you that they don't have a trap on this one. Came down, here's the drain, and this is the pedestal sink, so it comes straight down. And there is no trap. So all I need to do is install a trap in here and the problem will be solved. So I went out to the workshop. I have enough parts to do this. I could have done it several ways, and then I was looking at a couple of these put together, and then I was looking in my bags, and I already had one here. So because I already have had to replace one over there when we moved in because it was full of concrete. So anyway, I want to get this done before I go mowing, because it's, you know, we're having company over this weekend. It's embarrassing when it actually starts coming in. It's like, what is that? There we go, problem solved. And I even put more of a, there wasn't much of a pitch on that pipe right there, so I have it going downhill a little bit more. It always stays real cool down here in the basement, even when it's 90 some degrees outside. And when it gets that warm, like we just have that room air conditioner, it doesn't do much for the kitchen and stuff. So I bought this fan and I put it down here. And then when it gets really hot, we just flick that switch. Fan comes on and blows the cool air up the stairway here. And then we just open this door and that cool air comes right up here, and it does help cool down the kitchen. Well, I got everything done on the riding mower that I wanted to do. Even did a little bit more than I was planning on. I still have maybe a half hour to 45 minutes to do with the push mower, but it's almost ready for company. After work, Melissa went to the store and bought a bunch more stuff for, you know, we got people coming over, so. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. It's just about 7 o'clock in the morning. My GPS says I have 2 hours and 23 minutes until I pick up Xander. There's Xander. I will see you guys on the next video.